The AIRF or air filter message on the screen of your Bobcat machine means that the air filter or filters in the engine of your equipment require replacement. Modern machines have a tricky system that recommends an air filter change either according to engine hours or sensors readings. Now, the system takes into account readings from various sensors that may tell the computer that the filter is not 100% clean and requires replacement, like the airflow sensors. So when you see this AIRF message, the system will not contain any error code since it's not a fault but a reminder to service your machine. But the problem is that if you ignore this, after a little while you may also get the code M0117, which means air filter plugged, and this is a more serious problem since after you replace the filter, you may also need a Bobcat compatible scanner to clear the code. If you keep ignoring the message, the code will change to M0144, and this is totally bad news since with this code the engine goes to the limp mode and things will get worse day after day. If you want to know the air filter replacement interval for your model, in most cases you will see that Bobcat just recommends looking at the dash messages and changing filters once you see the AIRF message warning. There is no set interval or other requirements, at least with the modern engines used in Bobcat machines.